The Journey to English, Ali's Story. Ali was a 16-year-old boy who lived in a small village in Pakistan. He was kind, curious, and full of dreams. One of his biggest dreams was to speak English fluently. He believed that learning English would help him get a good job, make new friends, and travel the world. But there was one problem: he was afraid to speak. At school, he learned English grammar and vocabulary, but he never had the confidence to speak. He would stay quiet in English class, even when he knew the answer. He thought, what if I make a mistake? What if others laugh at me? One day, his English teacher, Miss Sarah, noticed his silence and said kindly, "Ali, it's okay to make mistakes. The only way to learn is by trying." Her words touched Ali's heart. That night, he made a promise to himself: I will learn to speak English, no matter how hard it is. The next morning, he started a new routine. He woke up early and listened to short English stories on YouTube. He repeated the words again and again. He also wrote down 5 new English words every day with their meanings in Urdu. He practiced them by making simple sentences like, I eat breakfast. I go to school. I like books. At home, he began watching English cartoons and movies with subtitles. When he heard a new sentence, he paused the video, repeated it aloud, and tried to understand its meaning. Slowly, his listening and speaking improved. Ali also started speaking English with his younger brother. They would have small conversations like, Ali, what is your name? Brother, my name is Ahmed. Ali, how are you? Brother, I am fine, thank you. Even though they laughed at their funny accents, they kept going. At school, Ali joined the English club. Every week, students were asked to give short speeches. The first time it was Ali's turn, he was nervous. His hands were shaking, but he remembered Miss Sarah's words. He walked to the front and said, Good morning, my name is Ali. I want to speak English. I am learning step by step. Everyone clapped. That small success gave him confidence. Over time, Ali improved a lot. He started writing short essays, chatting online in English, and reading English storybooks. His vocabulary grew, and so did his courage. One day, he gave a full speech in English at a school event. His parents were proud. His teacher had tears in her eyes. Ali smiled and said, If you want to speak English, don't be afraid. Speak a little every day. Practice makes you better. Moral of the story: you don't need to be perfect to start. Just start. Learn one word a day, speak one sentence a day, and you will become better each day.